Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Java JDK with Oracle, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Oracle website. In the search bar, type Java JDK download and press enter. Click on the link that directs you to the Java SE Development Kit download page. Locate the latest version of the Java Development Kit. Click on the download button for your operating system. Review the license agreement presented on the page. Scroll down and click on the checkbox to accept the agreement. Then, select the appropriate installer for your system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Choose the destination folder for the installation or use the default option. When prompted, click Next to proceed with the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Close. Next, it's time to set up the environment variables. Open the control panel on your computer. Navigate to System and Security, then click on System. On the left pane, click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables window, look for Path under System Variables. Select Path and click on Edit. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click on New. Paste the Java JDK bin folder path. The path often resembles C:\program files /java /jdkxx.x.bin. Click OK to close all windows. Open a command prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. Type Java version and press Enter to verify your installation. If the version displays correctly, Java is successfully installed. You can also type JavaC version to confirm the Java compiler is set up. Now you are ready to start developing Java applications. Remember to consult the Oracle documentation for further configuration and installation options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.